creating those use cases, talking to the end customers, and that use case repository will be accessible to the startups who are going to be located in the FinTech Valley, Vizag. Did I answer your question?
Any other questions? Did we see some hands up in the back of the hall? Are you paying attention?
You don't get deeper pockets than these sitting on my left and right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. My name is Shurju. I run a company called Total Start Entrepreneurship Ecosystem Developers. See, we have been working in the space across the country.
A startup in mic technology might do well in this audience, I think.
We have been working for about 7 to 8 years across India to develop entrepreneurs in the, district levels actually, and we realized that, there is so much to do to give accessibility of financial services down the line. My problem, and across what I've seen personally, is that there is a lot of funds. There is no dearth of fund. Probably, I'm connected to about 100 people who I know personally who are saying that, okay, I can invest. But the problem is that there is hardly any people who are actually developing this. Startups are supporting them, and that's not too many. That's not too many at all. There are some actually in the cities, but a lot of the talent is also across the country, not the top 5, cities in the. So there, if we can pull out, like Vizag, it's a great example. It's happening here, and we should do across the country in more. And there is a lot of talent pool out there. So we need more people who can, fold their hands, and get onto the space of handholding them. And that's a huge space where more resources required than in the VC or the investor space, I believe. Once we can, develop those people out there whose record we develop, money is not an issue, as you have all said out here. So developing those people is most important.
Sure. Mr. Chaudhary, what is also required is when you have the funds, but the ability to identify enterprise, like an employment exchange, you need an enterprise exchange now. And this is something that you could probably showcase as, all the enterprises that are coming here to Andhra Pradesh and Vizag.
Actually, today we are going to sign an MOU with one such enterprise. We are going to create the FinTech Valley Startup Exchange. First time probably in the world. Why don't you, Dina, why don't you tell about?
Well, I hope Manish is here. He might be the right person. He's the founder and the entrepreneur, but we found him. We found the founder, and we're bringing him here. He's going to start the exchange, the startup exchange, to start with the listing services, add on the statutory documents that you can download at the push of a button, financial information, if the company allows you to, it's sort of a LinkedIn, you allow, then you download, and then a few other very, very interesting features. I will not steal Manish's thunder. I will leave that for a later point today, but sure. Exactly what you mentioned, Utkarsh, it's happening. Thank you.
Great.
Then it's back to you, sir, for concluding remarks.
Right. So I guess many of you are going to use the networking break on a one-to-one meeting with the deep pockets that you see on my right and left. But then that brings me to a very pleasant task of thanking the panelists here. 2-3 messages that went out is that, several of them are looking at investing in early stage as well. Several of them are looking at investing at the seed capital level. There is interest, and there is interest across the spectrum. This is unlike what you see in several other industries in India, and it augurs well. It's really a question of, meeting that and putting together a sustainable model. So please do join me in putting our hands together and thanking the panelists for their views.
Thank you, panelists. May I request you to remain seated for a minute more? I'd now like to call upon Mr. J. Chaudhary and Mr. Vijay Anand, IT Secretary for the Government of Andhra Pradesh, to present our panelists. He's on his way. All right. So Mr. Chaudhary will do the honors. Can you present mementos to our speakers? Thank you, Mr. Palnitkar. Thank you, panelists, for a fantastic perspective on what fintech holds for investors out there. The message is the money is there. What we need are the ideas and the startups.